Welcome, my beautiful tea lovers and beverage lovers. Today, we are going to do a red, white, and blue sangria that will be great for you to take to all of your cookouts and barbecues that you want to have this summer. What we did was we started off with our sparkling pineapple mimosa, and we made a simple syrup out of that, and I will put the recipe off to the side. And the simple syrup, most of the sangrias that when I was looking up recipes and writing this recipe, a lot of the sangria recipes call for simple syrup, and they call for either a dry white wine, a Sauvignon Blanc, or a Pinot Grigio, because they're not sweet. And what you do is you add in the sweetness with the simple syrup. So I thought it would be great to make one of the teas a simple syrup. And what you have in that is a well-balanced, you have notes of pineapple, notes of apple, you have strawberries in here, you have blueberries. It is sweetened from the simple syrup, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you how to do a red, white, and blue sangria using Umami Tea's sparkling pineapple mimosa. So we have our lime here, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, regular strawberries, and the sparkling pineapple mimosa. I've brewed that. And we have white wine. I'm going to pour the white wine in there. And what I chose was a Pinot Grigio. So let's get started. And we're going to use the sparkling pineapple mimosa, which is a pineapple fruit tea that we have here at Umami. And it has pineapple, apple, and mimosa, but it's non-alcoholic, so you can drink it by itself. And I had some today, and it is delicious. The pineapple is really the main fruit that comes through, but it is really delicious. I'm only gonna drink a little bit of that just because I want my sparkling pineapple, my red, white, and blue sangria. So what we're gonna do, I have my nice picture here. So we're gonna start with the frozen, 2 cups of frozen strawberries. And that's perfect. So 2 cups of frozen strawberries and 2 cups of frozen blueberries. Make sure we get all the strawberries and blueberries out. We're going to cut up some limes because limes are good for garnishing. This is a horrible knife. Get another knife. Okay, so now that I have my limes and my strawberries just a little slit down the bottom so they will look very cute on the glass. And what we're gonna do is the sparkling pineapple mimosa, I made this earlier. So this is a fruit tea, So we're going to use 4 cups of the sparkling pineapple mimosa, and I've already measured this out. This is a 32-ounce container, so all of this goes in there. And then we need 2 bottles of the Pinot Grigio. So 2 750 milliliter bottles. So that is 25 ounces. I got the big bottle. So that's the first 25 ounces. And actually this whole bottle goes in there. Just a little bit left over. Oops. That's a full bottle there. And just a quick note for you, the reason why I use frozen fruit is because they keep you from having to chill it. Now, of course, you're going to put this in the refrigerator, you know, eventually. But if you're in a rush, then if you use frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries or frozen fruit, then you won't have to worry about chilling it as much. So I'm gonna put that 1 lime down in there, and I'm gonna just squeeze it a little bit, just to have just a little bit of lime flavor in there. And hopefully I don't make a mess with this. Let's see. There we go. And garnish it with my strawberry. And there you are. It is the red, white, and blue. This is our red, white, and blue strawberry. I'm sorry. This is our red, white, and blue sangria. And it is delicious. It really is. The pineapple notes and the apple notes work well with the Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio is not too sweet. So what I did was I made the pineapple, the sparkling pineapple mimosa, like a simple syrup. And I will put all of the recipes down below so that you can make this for yourself. But I need a straw because this is really good. Hold on. So this is our red, white, and blue sangria made with our sparkling pineapple mimosa. And what we did was we started with the sparkling pineapple mimosa, and that is a fruit tea. And I'll put up a picture, but you will be able to see the pineapple notes, the apple bits. It's really a delicious, flavorful tea. And what we did was put that with some Pinot Grigio white wine. This is delicious. It's already iced without the ice in there because the fruit from the frozen fruit makes it cold already. And recipe, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and come back and see me, and I'll see you in the next video.